Shandong Kushar Technology Company Limited is located in Jinan, the capital city of Shandong Province, China. We have been engaged in the sales of CNC Router since 2007. After years of hard work, we have grown into a professional CNC router machine equipment supplier integrating sales and service. There are 18 sales and after-sales service team, including our pre-sales consulting department and after-sales service department. My team is located in the high-tech zone, and our after-sales engineers have more than 5 years of experience in the use and maintenance of CNC router machines. We can guarantee to provide customers with the most modest technology. We are here to show our most advanced machines, such as EA/AE models. For CNC router machines, we have EA/AE serials and automatic loading and unloading machines models for your choice, and we can provide customized model for your special request. For wood CNC router, we also have varies size and design for different cutting standards. Whether you are engaged in the fixture industry or metal processing industry, there is always a machine that can meet your needs. In addition, our company can provide OEM services, and we are looking forward to receiving inquiry from agents all over the world. We will offer better product with best service to all our customers. Thanks for your time.